Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Thode, Saskatchewan is a small resort village located on the eastern shore of Blackstrap Lake, about 40 kilometers southeast of Saskatoon. With a population of just over 200 residents, Thode is known for its quiet setting and close connection to the lake. Unlike traditional prairie towns built around agriculture or railways, Thode developed primarily as a recreational community, shaped by its access to water and outdoor activities. The village was incorporated in 1987, making it relatively young compared to many communities in Saskatchewan. Its development is closely tied to the creation of Blackstrap Lake in 1968, when the reservoir transformed the surrounding landscape into a destination for recreation. As interest in lakeside living grew, cottages and seasonal homes gradually gave way to more permanent residences, leading to the establishment of a formal community. Blackstrap Lake itself plays a central role in daily life in Thode. The long, narrow reservoir stretches for about 25 kilometers and offers opportunities for boating, fishing, swimming, and other water activities. Residents and visitors alike are drawn to the lake during the warmer months, while winter brings ice fishing and snow-based recreation. The lake's presence gives Thode a different rhythm than many inland prairie communities. Unlike larger towns, Thode does not have a wide range of commercial services. Instead, it functions mainly as a residential and recreational area, with many residents commuting to nearby Saskatoon for work, shopping, and other services. This balance allows the village to maintain a peaceful atmosphere while still being connected to a larger urban center. The surrounding area includes Blackstrap Provincial Park, which adds to the appeal of the region. The park offers campgrounds, beaches, picnic areas, and trails, making it a popular destination throughout the year. One of its most recognizable features is Blackstrap Mountain, a large man-made hill created during the construction of the lake. It was originally built for skiing and was used during the Canada Winter Games in 1971, giving the area a unique landmark that stands out against the flat prairie landscape. Historically, the land around Thode was used primarily for agriculture before the creation of the lake. The shift from farmland to recreational use marked a significant change in how the area was valued and developed. This transformation reflects a broader trend in Saskatchewan, where certain regions have evolved to support tourism and leisure alongside traditional industries. Community life in Thode is shaped by its small size and shared environment. Residents often gather for local events, seasonal activities, and informal social connections that are common in smaller communities. The village's lakeside setting encourages an outdoor lifestyle, with many people spending time on the water or enjoying the surrounding natural space. The landscape around Thode combines the open skies of the prairie with the presence of water, creating a setting that feels both expansive and relaxed. Sunrises and sunsets over the lake are a defining feature, and the changing seasons bring different colors and moods to the area. From warm summer days to quiet winter scenes, the environment plays a central role in the character of the village. Today, Thode remains a small but distinct community within Saskatchewan. Its origins as a lakeside retreat, combined with its proximity to Saskatoon, have shaped it into a place where recreation and residential life come together. For visitors, it offers a look at a different side of the prairies, where water and open land meet to create a unique and enduring setting. Thanks for watching!